Today, world is witnessing transformation of Gujarat through the excellent development prospects and tremendous growth in property market over last decade. Gujarat has made rapid progress in real estate. With many players in this race, B. Kesar Group holds an esteemed position as a real estate developer in and around Ahmedabad. B. Kesar Group has been in this field since many years, fulfilling the needs and dreams of people by delivering the quality infrastructural facilities. Company has served the society through its projects ranging from weekend homes to affordable apartments. B. Kesar Group has set another milestone in its journey of reaching at a remarkable position by providing independent residential plots of 100 to 600 square yards near Nal Sarovar under its scheme Nature's Abode. An effort to get close to nature, live near nature, and get lost in the beauty of nature. Nature's Abode is the brainchild of B. Kesar and Galaxy Realty, a renowned name in infrastructural development. The director of B. Kesar, Mr. Bharat Desai, mechanical engineer by profession, and directors of Galaxy Realty, Kamlesh Vaishnav, Bharat Rawal, Rajesh Patel, and Prakash Patel, together are giving shape to the vision of Nature's Abode. Nature's Abode provides the best investment opportunity as it is only 18 kilometers from Nal Sarovar and also close to Tata Nano project and Ford car project. Adding a cherry on the cake, government has announced establishment of GIDC, which ensures fantastic return on investments. Nature's Abode is a unique scheme which is just 25 kilometers from Sanand Crossroads, connected through 60-meter wide bypass. Nature's Abode offers wide range of amenities, gymnasium, playground, skating rink, senior citizens park, swimming pool, clubhouse, etc. The developers of this fantastic property are offering a bumper price of 900 square feet plot. If you are lucky and win, then you need not pay any further installment of your purchased plot. You also have a chance to win Maruti Swift car, bike, scooty, LED TV, split AC through lucky draw held every 6 months. In order to provide benefit to the investors, pre-launching payment scheme has been designed. For cash payment, pay only Rs 550 per square feet. For yearly payment, pay Rs 600 per square feet with yearly installment of 90,000 into 6. And for monthly payment, Rs 650 per square feet. That is 8,125 into 72 or 6,000 into 60. 18,750 into 12. Come, relive and experience a difference in every moment spent in the lap of naturehood. B. Kesar has successfully completed projects like Kesar Row Houses, Kesar Complex, Kesar Ultima, and heading towards projects like Atman 1 BHK apartments near Godrej City, Golden Acre near Dholera SIR, Commercial Complex at Vaishnav Devi Crossroads on 200 feet Ring Road. To step in the peaceful world and reside in your dream home, close to nature, enhancing your lifestyle. For booking, please contact us at 802 Shapath 2, opposite Rajpath Club, SG Road, Ahmedabad.